Today we're going to be not unboxing because it's already out of the box. We're going to be looking at this diamond painting from Jaded Gem Shop. It is by Carrie's Cuttlefish. I believe it's called, I don't remember what it's called, but I will show you what it's called. It measures 50 by 70 and it is a square diamond painting, and it looks like it's going to be a total of 55 colors. I did not add ABs or crystals, and I'm kind of regretting not adding crystals to this because I feel like it's so colorful. It would look really cute with crystals. But let's get into this kit and see what we have included. So we have a pack of drills, one of two. So it's going to be a very colorful diamond painting, as you can see. Pretty. And then we should have another thing of drills. Somewhere it's coming, it's coming. Here's two of two. Wow, I love the colors are so vibrant, guys. I'm really in love with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we have some green Jaded Gem Shop washi tape. Then if we unroll it, yes, okay. So here we have a bigger thumbnail so you guys can take an even better look at this image. And this is an Animal Crossing image. So you can see Mr. Tom Nook here. I forget what his name is, like Patches or something. KK Slider. And oh, I forgot her name. She's like one of the main characters. Anyways, it's all Animal Crossing. So there's like a fossil in her hair, more town villager people. I don't know their names. And then she's also playing a Nintendo DS. So that's really cool. Or no, Nintendo Switch. Switch? Okay, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, it is Animal Crossing, and I have just restarted my island, so I'm like, what a great time to do that, or to do this diamond painting. Here is our label sheets. So these are all individually cut, so you can peel those up and stick them on your containers, on your baggies, however you choose to kit up. Bigger logo, Jaded Gem Shop. And all of her kits come with this really awesome release paper. It's double-sided, so you don't have to worry about which side to put down on your canvas. And I use this stuff like all the time because I like to work in bigger sections, and then I don't get my hand caught in the actual glue or diamond painting, whatever you want to say. Let's take a look. I'm excited. Wow, she's gorgeous. Now, the nice thing with Jaded Gem Shop's canvases are that, like, this kind of looks a little bit funny, but it's like a photo negative, or it's like a negative of the actual image. So as you're doing your diamond painting, you're going to see the image come to life. Okay, so yeah, okay. Her name is, this kit name is New Horizons Babe by Carrie's Cuttlefish. This artist is from my city. Yay, Canadian pride, I guess. 50 by 70 centimeters. It's a square. Here is Jade's social media and her website if you want to go check her out. And the links will be in the description box below. You have the key or the schematic at the very bottom. Oh, wow. This image is so cute. Oh my god. And it looks like it's gonna be, there's like a ton of confetti. Like a lot of confetti. There's some nice color blocking sections that I can see, but it's gonna be mostly confetti, which the more that I do Jade kits, the more that I'm like okay with confetti. I don't know. Is that just me? But I feel like I always have to balance it out. Like I'll do a confetti heavy diamond painting and then I'll do a more color blocking diamond painting. So it's like a fine balance for me. Same with squares and rounds. Like I'll go through a ton of squares and then it's like I want to do a round. But yeah. But I love doing Jade squares because they fit together so nicely and I've never had any issues with them. So we'll take a closer look at the drill field so you guys can see that. Wow, okay. So yeah, a lot of confetti areas, but then there's some nice areas where there's some color blocking, like in the background. All that symbol R is all color blocking. This area has a lot of color blocking, but then you get to like her tattoo area and you're like, oh my goodness, all that color blocking, or all that confetti. So I guess this is kind of like a nice little balance, I guess. I don't know, because the last thing you want to do is a kit with a ton of color blocking because that's just boring. But let's take a look at the canvas from top to bottom. Sorry for the shadow from the light. I am filming this and it is evening time. yeah, that is the canvas. We're not going to really, I'm not going to take out the drills because I'm going to kit this up right away. But the drills, like I said, I've never had an issue with them. And if you do have an issue, just contact Jade and she'll fix it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this diamond painting. I think it is, like, it's pretty true to the illustration, and I'm really excited to work on it and see it come together. I've never seen this one completed, so maybe I'll be the first to be able to share it with people. I don't know. But this should probably take me, I don't know, like 3 weeks or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, guys, what do you guys think of this? Do you play Animal Crossing? If you do play Animal Crossing, let me know down below who your favorite villager is. And also feel free to send your girl some bells in Animal Crossing because I am dirt poor in Animal Crossing. But anyways, let me know what you think of this image down below. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so turn on that notification to get notified when I do upload a new video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, okay? Bye!